Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add ads to your site on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now for this, what you're going to be using is most likely Google AdSense. It is a very easy thing to integrate. You just have to go to Google AdSense, enter your account, and once you're there, you're gonna need to select the pay-per-click ads or whichever ads you want. And then you're going to need to find the HTML code for those specific ads. Now, what you're going to do once you get the HTML code for those ads, and you can very easily set it up over there, you can format it to select whichever type or format of ads you want. And once you select it, you're going to go back to Shopify, to your dashboard, go to Online Store and click on themes. If you're not on the themes page already, then go into customize next to the theme you want, and then you're going to need to add another section. Once you click add a section, you're going to select custom liquid, add that section over here, and then just enter the code up here where liquid code is shown. And once you enter the code and save your changes, your ads will then be played on your site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.